Hey guys, I'm RISHENDRAN from CCI and my ID number is IS01082108. Alright, moving on with the topic. I'll be doing an individual assignment for the subject Moral and Civil Society. So my assignment will be based on the fundamentals of information technology. Alright, basically my objective is to briefly explain to you about the basics of information technology and I'll walk through the slides with you. Alright guys, so what is information technology? Information technology is the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate data or information. We can define information technology in simple terms. Information technology has become a common term in our everyday lives. It is a computing technology used to help people carry out and complete their tasks. And finally, it is a common to relate computing technology with telecommunications. Alright, moving along with the topic. There are many uses of information technology in our everyday lives. Here are 5 perfect examples for you guys. Number 1, you can browse the internet at anywhere and anytime. Basically, users capable of accessing the worldwide website and everything is in your fingertips. Secondly, studying online. As you can see, this method was very helpful for us back in the COVID times. Students are capable of learning in a fully virtual environment back in the school days. Thirdly, purchasing a product online. What does this mean by that user can directly buy goods or services from the seller through online. However, playing network games is also a part of our daily life. Us users as gamers will be connected worldwide with our local network. Finally, performing online banking. Online banking basically allows us to perform financial transactions via internet. Alright, about now we'll be moving to our next section, which is about the components of information technology. There are only 4 components in IT, which is the hardware, software, network, and finally the data. So let's see what are the components about. We're starting off with computer hardware. So what's the computer hardware? Computer hardware means a tangible device of a computer system that can be used to input data, process data, produce output, and store data. Computer hardware is a physical component which you can easily find inside the computer. Smartphones capabilities have been improved which enable many people to afford. The aim of the computer device is to produce small, powerful and light mobile devices for you to carry around. Secondly, which is the computer software. Basically, computer software is a set of programming language or computer program that used to control a computing device. Software is categorized into system software and application software. Application software is a software used to perform a specific task by an end user. System software is a software used to control the hardware and allow other application program to run. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next will be the computer network. So from here, computer network means a group of computers connected together to communicate and share common resources. Types of network depends on the size of its coverage. Internet is the world's largest computer network that allows people all over the world to communicate and share information. There are 2 types of network exist, which are the internet and extranet. Finally, the computer data. Data is a collection of facts represented in the form of numbers, text, image, video, and sound. Data that has been organized and processed in order to get some values is called information. According to the Forbes.com, the amount of data created and consumed in the world increased from 1.2 trillion gigabytes to 59 trillion gigabytes from 2010 to 2020. This data needs to be managed so that it can be used to uncover new insights and make effective decisions. So, guys, here we are at our last section. We're going to about what is information system. By all means, information system is a set of interrelated components that collect, process, store, and disseminate data and information. Secondly, an information system provides a feedback mechanism to monitor and control its operation to make sure it continues to meet its goals and objectives. Thirdly and finally, the feedback mechanism is critical to helping organizations achieve their goals such as increasing profits or improving customer service. So guys, here are the main six key components of information system, which are the hardware, data, software, network, human, and process. Here are some example of pictures which you can relate to these six components: the hardware, data, software, network, human, and process. Moving on, as you can see, information system plays a major role in our everyday life. What if we implement information system in business? So here are the primary components of business. From sales and marketing, what we can do, we can promote new and existing products, and we can also do product analysis. From financial and accounting, we can forecast revenue and expenses and analyze investments. From manufacturing and producing, monitor product value and control inventory level. From human resources, we can monitor employee productivity and screen job application. So finally, we're at the very end of our slides. Thank you for dedicating your time and giving me an opportunity to express myself. Thank you very much.